G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at November 19th, 2025's The Barber of Seville by Clover. Clover's one of our sellers here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? Thank you to myself for noticing that OBS is a little crook right now. That's fine. Yeah, yeah, it turns out the multi-screen setup's really cool. We are Gas Genuinely Approachable Sudoku. We create set and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You'll find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You'll also find hat times. 2 hats is for a very fast time, 1 hat's for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. I'm just gonna get into it now. Today's puzzle is very fast. I think that you will probably get a very fast time today. But this is a Rossini Sudoku. So what that means is normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, whenever there is an arrow adjacent to a row or column, such as that, the first 3 digits in that row or column must increase in the same direction as the arrow points. So, what that means is, I'm trying to find one that's not an absolute giveaway here. Let's try this one. 2, 3, 6. Must increase in the same direction that it points. Yep. There we go. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. That being said, I'm going to get into it. So, if you haven't already worked it out, this is a thermo Sudoku. I've kind of just drawn it on this one, just so that way you could kind of visualize it if you're like, I haven't seen Rossini before. Why would we do a Rossini and not just a thermo? The answer is, while today's puzzle doesn't have a negative constraint, some puzzles don't have a negative constraint for Rossini. So, we don't have a negative constraint on this one, but some Rossini puzzles will. What does that mean for you, the person, just, hypothetically? So what that would mean is, say, because I'm going back to the actual puzzle in a second, if this was 1, 2, 3, this cell could never be a 4. Why could it never be a 4? Because no matter what digit I put in here, it would increase going that way, and there's no arrow there, which is what that means. So let's go back to the actual puzzle. And yeah, let's get to it. So like I said, that's 1, 2, 3. 1 and 4 have to be between less than 5. Going up from 7 has to be 8, 9. In between 5 and 9 must be a 6. Now, blah, 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 blah. This can't be 2. This can't be 3, because I've got 3 in column 8 anyway, so that's 2, that's 1. Between 1 and 5 is 3. And then I need to place 7, 8, 9 here, but I have a 7 here. That's 8, 9, and 7. Oh, pardon me. 3, 4 in these 2 cells in box 7, but I have the 3 up here. 3 and 4 go there. 6 and 7 mean that 7 can't go in one of those cells, so it has to be 7 and 6. We have the 8 in column 2 over here, so that's a 8, 9. And then over here, can't be 3 or 4 because I've already got those. I'm trying to solve this with a mouse because there's just so much going on today that I can't just rely on my normal keypad. 6 and 9, put the 6 here, puts the 6 there and 9 there. In box 9, we have the 7 row 8, so that must be like that. 1 and 2, finally, we have the 2 in column 2, so that's 2 and 1. Now let's go put some digits in. That's 4, that's 6, that's 5, and this is also 5. Now, this is 1 and 2. The only way that this can work now is if that's an 8, meaning this is 3, 6. We have the 3, 6 up here, which is going to unwind it for us. 1 and 3 mean that that has to be a 2. That has to be a 9. And this is now 4, 7, and 8 across the top. 1, 2. And then that is 4. That's a 7, 8 pair. This is 1 and 9, but if this Rossini has to increase to the right, that's a 9, and this is a 1. 2, 3, 7 here. I already knew that that couldn't be 7 because we already have the 7 over there, but 2, 4, 6, the only way that this can work is if this 2 allows us to increase to the left, so that's 6 and 4. 7, out of there. Go back over here, 8 and 9, but we have the 9 in that cell, so that's 9, that's 8. 4, 6, 8 along here, we've got 4, 6, and the 6, which tells us that this has to be 6, 4, and 8. This is 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 5, and then 9, 7, 8, and 7. Even slowing down to at least try and make sure that I explained that one as I was going, I still only managed the time of 3 minutes 54, even with a detour. So yeah, that's a really quick one. You probably had an absolutely blistering time today. Don't forget to leave it in the comments. Likes, comments, you know, absolute bangers for us. But that's been Rossini Sudoku, The Barber of Seville by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy, wherever you are in the world. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Cheers.